Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Skillshare creativity classes app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Skillshare is an online learning app designed to help users build creative and professional skills through thousands of video-based classes. Originally launched as a platform for artists and creators, Skillshare now offers lessons in illustration, photography, graphic design, videography, animation, creative writing, business development, and productivity. It's available on both iOS and Android and is widely used by students, freelancers, and hobbyists who want structured, project-based learning. The app's main feature is its class system. Each course is broken into short, digestible segments, and most lessons include a hands-on project to help users practice what they've learned. Skillshare also supports curated learning paths, offline viewing, and community discussions where learners can share their completed projects and receive feedback from instructors and peers. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the high production quality of the courses, the variety of creative subjects, and the ability to learn at their own pace. The project-based approach helps learners stay engaged, and the community feature allows people to showcase their work for feedback and inspiration. Users also mention that top creators and industry professionals frequently teach on the platform. However, there are some drawbacks. Full access requires a subscription, and free users are limited to a small number of classes. Some users note that course quality can vary depending on the instructor, and certain features, like offline downloads, are available only to premium members. In addition, since Skillshare operates as a subscription service, it may not be ideal for users who prefer one-time course purchases. In summary, the Skillshare app may be worth using if you want structured creative classes, project-based learning, and access to a large library of courses across multiple creative fields. However, if you're not planning to take classes regularly or prefer free content without a subscription, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.